The one word that I would describe my feeling working with Fuller would be warm, very warm and comforting. They made me feel as though the questions that I asked weren't out of order. They made me feel as though, again, like I said, let's get you better first. I must have heard that a dozen times. You know, they had me in all angles from the very beginning on how to document, like I said, as being a private business for myself, to be able to document how my time would be compensated, and it worked out so well. Before I started the case, I was really a little bit fearful, a little bit apprehensive. Fearful because I'm in business for myself, and it is so hard to, how do you put a value on my time? Secondly, I'm hurt, and I'm hurt bad. So I thought, well, I don't want to be able to not get well and yet not be able to be compensated at the same time. So my feelings when I first met John, before I went into his law firm, was real apprehensive. Am I making the right decision? After I had met John and he consoled me and consultated me, it was an experience to where he let me know that being in business, there is a way that we can put value on my compensation. But the thing that stuck with me the most is he said, let's get you well first. And that really touched me because he cared about me. I'll tell you, I do personally know some of the high profile attorneys that handle those type of cases. But my first inkling was I didn't want to be in the shuffle, and with me being a private in business for myself, I really knew I was going to need attention, special attention, instead of all the hype that some of these other attorneys seem to put out. I would call the Fuller Law Firm first.